Fiverr has announced that buyers will now be able to post a review even if the order is cancelled. Do you know what that means? It means the sellers are now completely handicapped on Fiverr. If you are a seller on Fiverr, you probably have been struggling to get your level 1, level 2, or even top rated sellers badge. You have been struggling to maintain your 5-star ratings. You have been struggling to maintain your 80% response rates, your delivery rate, and so many other things like that. And now Fiverr has added another feature that make it super easy for buyers to frustrate the sellers. If you are working on Fiverr and you are depending 100% on Fiverr at this particular time, this is the right time for you to take the drastic step that will change your life for good. I've been on Fiverr since 2014, and when I experienced their major frustration in 2017, I have no choice than look for a way that I can start attracting clients without depending on any freelancing website. And that single decision has changed the game for me for good. And right now, I do no longer have to wait for any freelancing website before I get clients that will pay me reasonable amount of money as a freelancer. And I have been able to document my step-by-step tactics and strategies on how I attract high-paying clients on the internet without depending on Fiverr, Upwork, and any other freelancing website on the internet. And I want to give you access to that training course only if you are ready right now. I've prepared that course and it's available on my website for instant access. So if you want to get access to this course on how you too can start attracting high-paying clients on the internet without depending on any freelancing website, go ahead and look at the link anywhere in this video and click on the link to my website. This course is available for you whether you are a graphic designer, web developer, content writing, whatsoever you are doing on the internet as a freelancer. This course will change the game for you for good. It's currently available at a discount price. So if you go ahead and click on the link today, you'll get access to the course at a very discount price. And after today, the course will be gone forever. So go ahead and look at the link anywhere in this video right now. Click on the link and I will see you on the other side.